Hi all, I am Dr. Princess Maria John, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. We'll see a short video regarding set operations in the database management system. In this video, we'll be seeing about the introduction to set operations, then the types of set operations. There are nearly 4 types of set operations like union, union or, intersect and minus. To start with, set operations is mainly used for combining 2 or more different database tables. And as we know, set operations, we have already seen in mathematical concept. Okay, so this is treated as here in set operation, all the table are treated as objects and queries are performed on those tables. So here the set operations combine 2 or more component queries into a single result, and the queries containing the set operators are called as component queries. And your records within a table can be treated as objects in a set. That is, the table becomes a set of records. The set operator allows the table of database to be treated as objects in a set when performing a query. So as I said, there are 4 types of set operations: union, union all, intersect and minus. The first one or the first set operation is union operation. This union operation is mainly used for combining 2 components or data of 2 tables. Okay, like not only 2, it can be 2 or more tables can be combined together. Okay, so if we are combining the data of 2 tables in an union operation, it is a combination of all the data. So all the data of both the tables will be present and will give you the result. For example, here the query 1 is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, and the query 2 is containing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. So union is an operation where we combine both the tables, this data of both the tables, but the duplication should be removed. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from first table is taken, 4, 5 is repeated in the second query, so 6, 7, 8. So the result will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 values. So union operation is a very simple operation where you combine one or 2 or more tables to form a single one, and all the datas or values of both the tables will be combined and the duplications will be eliminated in the union operation. The next one is this is an example for union operation where you have a first table which contains ID and name. The second table also contains ID and name. So first table contains three IDs, 3 rows. Second table also contains 3 rows. But in this first table, the data which is repeated or duplicated is ID number 3, which is present in the first table and in the second table. So even though together there are 6 rows of data, when you are combining the first table and the second table, you will get only 5 because 3 is repeated, so the duplication will be removed, and so the final table or the result table after union operation will contain 1 to 5 ID values. And the query for this is select star from first table union select star from. So when you give star, all the values of the first table and the second table will be combined and the duplication will be removed and the result will be given. Next operation is union all operation. This is similar to union operation, but the only difference here is it doesn't remove the duplicate values. The query written here is for the same table which we have seen in the previous slide. For the there are two tables which contains first table contains 3 values and the second table contains 3 values. So in both the values ID number 3 is repeated, and when you're doing union all, first 3, that is the 3 values or 3 rows of first table is combined with 3 rows of second table. So in the final table or in the result table, you will have like 3 which is having a duplication, it is repeated. So the only difference between union and union all is union all will not remove any duplicate values. As such, it will combine both the tables and it will give you the result. But union will remove the duplicate and then it will give you the result. Next operation is intersect operation, and this is used for combining two select statements. Okay, so this intersection operation is like it will give you the common values which are present in 2 or more tables. Okay, so here for in this example, this the output what you have here is for the same example which we have seen for all the table. There are two tables with first one table name is first and the second table name is second. So here in the first table and in the second table there are one common value present, that is ID number 3 and the name is Jackson. So the common values between the two tables will be taken and the result will be given. So the query for doing intersect operation is select star from first table name, intersect, select star from second table name. So when you're doing this intersect operation, the common values which are present in both the table will be given as the result. So here also it will not have any duplication. And the last operation you have here is minus operation. This also combines the result of two select statements. Okay, so this is used for to display the rows which are present in the first query but which are not present in the second query. Okay, so or you can tell it like the values which are present in the first table and which are not present in the second table will be given as the result of this minus set operation. Here also you will not have any duplications and the data will be arranged in ascending order. Okay, by default for all the 4 operations whatever we have seen, the data will be arranged in ascending order. Okay, so here the first table contains ID numbers 1, 2 and 3. Second table contains ID number 3, 4 and 5. So the minus operation is a result of the values which are present in the first table and which are not present in the second table. So from the first table, ID number 3 is present in the second table, so that row is left out, and 1 and 2 ID number which are not present in the second table as are given as the output here or result set. So with this the explanation for set operation is completed. Thank you.